Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO A74 5G. It's from the European distribution, and today I will show you if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protection. So take a look closer, and as you can see here we can spot foil on the display. It comes to a very corner and it protects from the scratches. And also it comes with this transparent back case. Take a look another time, you can spot this foil right here. So if you wonder, yes, this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protection and it protects from scratches. If you want to protect your smartphone from deepest scratches and from breaks, I can recommend you to install tempered glass. And if you don't know how you can make it, just come to our YouTube channel and check, because we got a lot of videos for almost every smartphone, and we're showing you how to install glass on the smartphone. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.